Good morning, students. Today, this PowerPoint presentation goes to class 4 students, and the topic is the Great India Desert. This PowerPoint presentation is created by your assistant teacher, Mrs. Shukla Mukherjee. Children, the Great Indian Desert, it lies in the state of Rajasthan. See in the picture where it is north to the Aravalli mountains. I hope Aravalli mountains you know well, which you also have read in class 3. Children, what is desert? Desert is a large flat area covered with sand. Climate of desert is very hot and dry, and it receives very less rainfalls. Now the climate is hot and dry, you can see in the picture. Less rainfalls they receive. Here children, nights are cold but days are very hot. Why? Due to the sand effect. Vegetations, what type of vegetations they grow here due to less rainfalls? Thorny bushes, cactus and kikar trees are common here. Trees like date palm, kikar, bubbles are grown here, which you can see in this picture from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All these pictures, they shows the different variety of vegetations. Now climate of desert is, as I told you, extreme. Days are very hot and nights are very cold. The sand gets heated fast and also cools quickly down. So night becomes cool, and due to heatness, days are very hot. So camel, here you can see, camel is the animal. Why? It can walk on the sand very easily because it has padded feet, which make it easy to walk on the very hot sand. And the peoples are called Bedouins, nomads. They they go from one place to another with their luggages. They in search of food and fodder for their animals and also for them. Some other places are some other big some other big cities are Jodhpur, Bikaner and Jaisalmer. These cities are famous for also historical places. Transport, camel is called the ship of the desert. People generally use camel carts or caravans to carry their things. The nomads travel from place to place in search of food and fodder for their animals. Nowadays, vehicles are also available and roads are also well developed. Railways have been developed in this region well. Jaipur is the capital of Rajasthan. Other important towns are Jodhpur, Bikaner, Jaisalmer. The population is very less. A famous canal named Indira Gandhi Canal, constructed on the river Satluj, supplies water for irrigations. Crops here grown are jowar, bajra, wheat and maize. Some people rear goats and sheep. Jaipur is also called a pink city. Life is very hard here. People are nomads. Sand dunes are common. What are sand dunes? Hills, logs of sand are called sand dunes. Oases are green and very fertile here. What is oasis? The watery spots are called oases. Sand dunes are small hillocks. See in this picture, you can see the oases where some water are seen and sand dunes are small hillocks, and camel is called the ship of desert. It is walking on the sand very easily. Now, festival, dance, and music. Kalbilia and Ghumar are the major dance of Rajasthan. Teej is the famous festival. Folk music is main song. See in this picture. Thank you and thank you, and puppet shows are also very popular here. Thank you and have a nice day.